Okay, YouTube, we're going to make the lemon love cake today. It starts out with a boxed cake mix, and you just mix that part up according to the box. And we're going to add just a splash of lemon to that. Give this a quick stir, make sure there's no lumps, and get this poured into 2 small cake pans. Okay, so I have about 4 ounces of mascarpone cheese, and now we're going to do 32 ounces of ricotta. Then I'm going to add some sugar. Splash of vanilla. I'm going to add in a total of 4 eggs, but 1 at a time. Whoops, that was about 2. Okay, now we want to pour this over the cake mix. Now these are going to go into an oven at 350 degrees. And once they're done, we'll get these out and let them cool. And then we have one more layer that we'll add to the top. Okay, so I've got 12 ounces of cheese in here. 4 ounces is mascarpone. I didn't have another mascarpone, so I'm using 8 ounces of cream cheese with it. And it called for a large box of instant lemon pudding. And I did not have a large box. I do have 2 of the small ones. So I'm going to go ahead and add both of them. I'm afraid it won't be thick enough if I only add 1. And these are both sugar-free as well. But I think that'll still be okay. And I'm going to grab my mixer. I just realized the pudding wasn't supposed to go in yet. That's okay. cup of milk. Maybe some Cool Whip added to it to lighten it up a little bit. I'm going to mix in just some Cool Whip. I don't like heavy frostings and icings, so maybe this will make it a little better. Now this goes on top of our cakes. These puffed up so much that there wasn't going to be room in the pan, so I had to fold up the edges here of the pan to give it just a lip for the frosting here. It's still warm, but it's not hot, so we should be okay to frost it. I was trying to go thin, but I have to add a little more. We'll give it a quick taste. You can see the 3 layers there. It is good. However, I have a video where I've made the Sicilian love cake before, and I made it more like a turtle. I definitely like that better, but this is good. It's got that fresh lemon taste to it, of course, so yep, it's definitely good. Have a great day, guys.